Alright, welcome to this brand new listing in Clifton. We're on Madison Street today, and I'm gonna show you guys what this home is like today and really show you what $419,000 could get you in Clifton, New Jersey. So why don't we get started right away? Alright, so we're in the entrance of the home now. This is kind of like a entrance slash foyer area where you could potentially have an office, maybe you have like a fitness bike, a treadmill, things of that nature. So really good addition to the home at the entrance. Let's keep going where we open out with our living room as well as the dining room after that. The living space is actually very spacious. I mean, you can put one couch here, one couch there, maybe a TV on that side, and really just have an enormous amount of room in the home overall. So like we mentioned, we have 3 bedrooms in this home, 1.5 bathrooms, as well as a full finished basement, which is awesome. So let's get started with, right here we actually have a closet in the entrance where you can, if you like, put some shoes, maybe put jackets, or just use it as storage. And if you want to put the shoes in towards the entrance, that would be a good idea as well. So let's keep going with the first bedroom. We have 2 bedrooms on this floor and it's one larger bedroom upstairs. So we're gonna get that after we're done over here. So as you can see, this is a smaller sized bedroom where we have nice closets here as well. So it could be used as like a toilet room, children's room, or potentially even like an office as well, if you are also looking for a home office. Alright, continue on to the second bedroom of this home on this floor, and it's similar to the size, a bit larger, and this could be kind of the same way where we have another closet right behind the door here, and it's just a good sized room for anybody that's looking to use it as maybe a small child's room or maybe a toddler's room. Baby room is definitely possible as well, which is not a bad idea. I just don't really see a full-size adult being able to live here in the most comfortable situation. So it might be better for a family that has small children, small toddler, maybe a baby. So if that's a good fit for you, this is perfect for somebody like that. Alright, moving on here, we have a really nice remodeled kitchen with nice brown cabinets as well as a brand new island countertop here that just goes very well with the kitchen and has an open concept, meaning kind of no barrier between the living room and kitchen. So it just makes it feel more spacious, and if you want to have your dining space over there or here, that's going to be totally up to you how you want to use your living space accordingly. Appliances, brand new microwave, we have brand new handles that was recently put into these cabinets, which is awesome, and this overall condition of the home, as you can probably see, looks pretty good. The windows are recently updated, the floors look good, the paint looks good, and we have LED lights up top, which just makes it much more brighter, even though you have all the sunlight filling within the home from all sides, which is absolutely amazing. Because sunlight is important, you know? Anyways, let's keep going and let's go upstairs and check out what the larger primary bedroom looks like that's situated and looking kind of like a loft. Let's go. Alrighty, here, now we have the primary bedroom where it's just a much larger space than what we saw downstairs. This is where you can easily fit a full-size king bed. You have a ton of storage all around. We have 2 windows here. We have really nice hardwood floors on the ground and just a ton of storage space on this side, as well as right here on the left side. And yeah, this is just a really good amount of space for anybody that's looking to have their primary bedroom in. And maybe if you have children or you want a home office slash fitness area, first floor is probably going to be the best for the bedrooms downstairs. We also have a full bathroom on the first floor. Why don't you go ahead and take a look? Now we're going to take a look at the full finished basement, and you can really get a good idea of maybe the things that you can fit inside or how you can utilize it as a living space. Let's go check it out. In the meantime, while we're at it, we have doors here that open up to the backyard where we have just glass doors, brand new doors as well, brand new doorknobs, and you can see a really nice backyard where we'll take a look at the end, and it's just a really clean Very well maintained backyard overall. All right, in the entrance of the basement, we have like a small kind of entrance area where you can easily put your laundry machines up here and then have a ton of storage really nearby it if you're looking for any storage, because I know that's very useful for a lot of people. But let's keep going here where we have the main area of the basement. Ceiling height is not bad at all. I know a lot of the ceilings, you can barely fit your head here. It's not crazy high, it's not very too low, so it's like a nice little medium. And we also have like another bedroom kind of space here with its own closets. So this could be utilized however you really prefer it, whether it's a fitness room, office, you want it as an extra, maybe a guest room, totally up to you. But really good closet space here. And we have the meters here, which is pretty cool. And the boiler room is also on that side. Let's keep going. And last but not least, we have another half bath in the basement. So this could be useful if you have kids running around downstairs, or maybe you're in a fitness room, guest room. The bathroom down here could always be useful. So another bathroom down here. All right, so we're at the backyard here, and it's a very sunny day here. I forgot my sunglasses in the car, but for those of you that don't really have a backyard, you're not really used to it, maybe coming from an urban lifestyle, this is more than what you need. Honestly, you can have barbecues, you could have children playing around, maybe even a small playground down here, and there's really not much to do, which is the good news to it. So the landscaping is very, very easy and simple, but you do have a nice, well-maintained backyard, as you can see. Just very easy to maintain, and you can really do anything that you'd like. So that's awesome. And a nice shed in the corner to fit any kind of landscaping tools, maybe lawn machine, lawnmower, you name it. All right, let's keep going, and we have the driveway here. We didn't mention it in the beginning of the video, but you can probably fit anywhere from 4 to 6 cars in this driveway, so no issues at all. Clifton Street parking is not hard at all either, so if you do want to utilize that, if you have a ton of guests coming anytime, that's another thing that you could do. But the driveway space is awesome, and yeah, that's pretty much it. Alright guys, there you have it. We just finished our home tour for $419,000 that was just recently listed in Clifton, New Jersey. So hopefully you got a better idea, or a solid idea, of what you could get for $419,000 in Clifton, New Jersey. And if you do have any questions about this particular home, or any home in this price range or in this area, shoot a comment down below. All of our information is in the description down below. Happy to help you, and I'll see you guys on the next one. Oh yeah, and if you did not hit that thumbs up button, make sure you hit the thumbs up button and hit the subscribe button if you still haven't done that. If you want to get notifications whenever we come up with a new video, hit the notification bell as well to know everything about North New Jersey, and I'll see you guys on the next one.